Want to learn how to remove reels from your profile grid on an Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to remove reels from your profile grid on an Instagram. For that, make sure to get logged into your own account just like me. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then you can see that I do have a reels on my account and that's present on my profile grid as well. So to remove it, all you have to do is tap on that particular reel and then tap on this three dotted straight line on the top right corner. As you do it, you'll get an option of remove from profile grid. Tap on it. And then if you want to remove it, you can see that the preview for this video won't show on your profile, that it still show on feed and the Instagram TV. And if you agree with it, tap on remove option. So just by doing it, you can see that it has been removed successfully from your profile grid and you wouldn't see it anymore. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.